What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Derek. I'm your social media expert and content producer. So let's talk about content. A lot of people ask me, like, how do I make content for my YouTube channel, for my Instagram page, for my LinkedIn page? Where do I even start from? So it's really easy. I'll make it very easy for you. Alright guys, so I brought you in my kitchen today because I want to show you the things that I love. So the point I'm trying to make here is I have a method of making content. So do the things that you love to do while you're creating the content. So it might sound like I'm distracting you away from the main topic, but the main topic is what do you want to make? What type of content do you want to make? So today I want to show you one of the things I love to do. I love cooking. So I'll be making bruschetta. To begin with, let me just give you the ingredients of what I'm using for my bruschetta. So here I got some fresh basil leaves that I just harvested in my backyard. I got some garlic. I got some I think these are grape tomatoes or something. Oh, these are grape tomatoes. Some pepper, salt, balsamic vinegar, and olive oil. Before I begin making my bruschetta, so the point I'm trying to make is that you can start making the content while you're doing the things that you love to do. So if you love makeup and you're campaigning to be a PTA president or some kind of a congressperson, you can be doing those things while you're talking about that. Or if you are an insurance sales agent, you can be, say, baking while you're selling your insurance. And that's the point I'm trying to make. Let's begin the work. So at this point, I'm just gonna chop the garlic finely. Now that we're done with our garlic, so we're just gonna put it away. The next part we're gonna do here, we're gonna finely chop the grape tomatoes. We're gonna set aside the tomatoes in the same bowl that we have the garlic. And then we have some basil here that I'm gonna finely chop up here to add to the mix of garlic and tomatoes. I'm gonna go ahead and add this to the mix. At this point I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. And I'm sorry I don't measure, I just wing it. And I basically know the measurements for it. And then we're gonna add some extra virgin olive oil. We're gonna add some balsamic vinegar to it. Then after that is done, we're just gonna go ahead and mix it. So my bruschetta is done. So this is the last part here. I use a fork so that I don't make it soggy. Just place my bruschetta mix on my toasted bread. Voila! There you go, guys. So I just showed you how to create content. I just created a piece of content for content strategy, and I made bruschetta. It's yum. So there you go. Next time if you want to create content, make the content around the things that you like to do. If you like fixing cars and you're a lawyer, give legal advice while you're fixing cars. If you like makeup and you're campaigning to be a state senator, campaign as a state senator, as a prospective state senator while you're doing your makeup. Anything you want, guys, that's how you do it. All right. So if you have any questions, any comments, drop me a comment in the down below. And I'm gonna leave my telephone number here for text. So there you have it. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscription button below. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that way you're notified every time I upload a video. So until the next video, ciao.